Hey guys, the Samsung Galaxy S26 is coming, probably in January 2026, and we're seeing some big changes rumored this time. And for you all, here are the 8 biggest potential changes coming to the upcoming S26 series. First up, the phones themselves. Rumors say the Galaxy S Plus might be gone. Instead, we could get a new Galaxy S26 Edge model. We might even see the regular S26 become the S26 Pro. The only one staying the same seems to be the top-tier S26 Ultra. The exact names are still a bit fuzzy. Some leaks even say the Plus might stick around, but the bottom line is, Samsung's lineup is definitely changing. Remember when some regions got the awesome Snapdragon chip and others got Samsung's Exynos? That split is coming back. The leaks point to the Ultra getting the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, but the regular and Edge models, they're likely going to use Samsung's new Exynos 2600 chip. Samsung's charging speeds have been slow, frankly. The S25 Ultra was stuck at 45W. The good news is the S26 Ultra is finally rumored to jump to 60W wired charging. It's still not the absolute fastest out there, but it's a big step up and way less embarrassing for a flagship phone. Wireless charging is getting an upgrade too. Samsung is reportedly adding Qi 2 support. This is a big deal because it brings built-in magnets just like on the iPhones. This magnetic charging is rumored to be on the S26 Edge and the Ultra, making wireless charging much more secure and efficient. Speaking of the Ultra, the S Pen has a small redesign. It's gonna look a little rounder to match the phone itself, which is also rumored to have softer, less boxy corners than before. So, a smoother look all around. On the camera side, the biggest change is for the Ultra. It's rumored to switch to a new 200-megapixel Sony sensor that's physically bigger. It goes from 1/1.3 inch to 1/1.11 inch. Now, that might sound like a tiny jump, but for a phone camera, that's a pretty meaningful boost in how much light it can take in for better quality. Plus, one leaker suggests the return of variable aperture, which is a feature we haven't seen in a while. The whole series is getting some design changes. The base model might get a slimmer camera bump. The new Edge phone might get a wide camera island across the back, similar to the new iPhones or Pixels. And the Ultra? It's rumored to slim down a tiny bit, possibly 0.4 millimeters thinner than the S25 Ultra, continuing that race for thinness. Finally, let's talk money. Last year, the S25 prices stayed the same, which was a surprise. This time, rumors are warning that a price hike is possible, mostly because the cost of chips are going up. Samsung could absorb the cost or use more Exynos to keep prices steady, but we could see a jump from anywhere from $50 to $100. For now, though, the prices are a complete mystery. So that's the rundown. A shakeup in the lineup, faster charging, better cameras, and a possible price hike. What are you most excited about for the S26? Let me know in the comments below.